Welcome on board. This is Break Retest here today. So today I'm going to walk with you through and show you the profitable way on how you're going to really make money doing what matters most to you with those who matters most to you. So today we are really going to treat on what I'm going to teach you how to mark out your market structure correctly, doing what matters most to you with those who matters most to you. So most of the time we have problem. A lot of people find it very difficult to mark out their structure, so their structural patterns. I'm gonna work with you. So this is a high here, and this is a high here again. Let me mark it. Another high, and all right guys, just work with me. This is another high here again. So one thing that you must understand about structure, a structure comprises of what? A structure comprises of a higher high and a higher low, a higher high and a higher low. So this is an uptrend, which I'm going to mark it. Is an uptrend. Is an uptrend, as you can see it, and this is the H4 time frame. We use the H4 time frame to carry on our directional bias. Maybe this might be the first time of you watching this channel and you're really confused, you're really stuck, and you really want to learn how to figure out your structure correctly. The reason of doing this video is to help you guys, right? So let me show you. In the forex market, we have three components. It's like a derivatives that really move the market. We have the upper trend, we have the downward trend, and we have ranging market. So, and if you really want to be successful in this trading industry, you must learn how to mark out your structures correctly. All right, this is our high, our low. Then we have a higher high in an upward trend direction, and we have a higher low. Then we have a higher high. Then we have a higher low, a higher high. Then a higher low. So you see this, you discover that what makes an uptrend to be valid is that it produces a series of higher high and a higher low. And what really makes a downtrend to be valid, it produces a series of a lower high and lower low. So I will show you an example of a downtrend also. Let's work together. Let me show you an example of a downtrend market. So what is a downtrend market? If we are going to use it like this, okay, can you see? We have a high, then a low, then here now we will call it a lower high, then a lower low, 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 a lower high, then a lower low. Then you discover that suddenly something like this happened in the market. You have a high here, because it's not really a lower low. Then you still have you have a low, and see what happened here. Then you have a high. Then when market do like this, come this level, you now have a higher low. Then you have a higher high, a higher low, then a higher high, a higher low, then a higher high. So what really happened in this level, you will discover that from this point from this point. Let me mark it out so that you understand what I'm really teaching you guys. I really want everybody that is following me to really get the full gist. So can you see from this place we have what we almost have something that looks like an equal low. Can you see from this level we have something that looks like an equal low? So what it means is that from this point, price is no longer interested in creating series of lower low and a lower high. So from here we discover that there is a shift of momentum. So we will not just rush into the market, and when it comes to entry, all these things, just follow me on this channel. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, so that anytime that I release powerful content, you will really be aware of it. So from this level here now, if you discover we have what from this level we have we'll just call it a high, but it's not yet valid, but something really happened. Let me carry my horizontal line. Something really happened. If you will look at this very carefully, at this level you discover that we have a new high, but the high now has not yet qualified to become a higher high until what we have a push to the downward at this level. Let me mark the level at this level. If you discover at this level now this low that we are having, before this low will become a higher low, confirm higher low, it has to come and take this it has to come and take this level, this high. Can you see this high? This high, it has to come and take this high. Then now we have a higher high and a higher low. So from this level now we understand that there is a shift of there is a shift of market momentum from this level. Okay, let me show you something. Guys. Okay, from this level now, can you see this level? From this level, so let me show you what most traders do, you understand, to capitalize their entry and still make money doing what matters most to them with those who matters most to them. So from this level that I'm really showing you, can you see from this level, if I carry my marker and mark it correctly, you get to realize that from this level you discover that now we have a new trend. There is a new trend, a formation of a new trend, because we have we have a higher high. Then now price has break this low. Now this low is really a valid level, because when price break it, we see price come up and break this high, this particular high has been broken. Then price push up to the up and still come down. So when price push up, this level that you're seeing 2414 has been acting as it has been acting as a resistance, but now it will become support. See what price really does. When price give us a higher high at this level, that I mark, it comes and retested this level. So from this level you can capitalize and have a sweet entry. Let me take my my long position. So from this level now you can have a sweet entry. I want you to see it. Can you see that from this level you can have a sweet entry, and you target your TP at this level 25360 up around this level. So your first TP can be around this high. Your first TP can be around this high, which I'm going to mark. Can you see it? And your second TP, you can leave it to be around this level. It can be around this level. So can you see?